Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna create for you the raspberry lemon drop cocktail. And it requires a little bit of blending using something other than sugar, and yes, natural raspberry. So if you're ready to find out and get excited, stay tuned, all right? All right, so first things first, get your bullet right here, get your lemon, cut it. I'm already gonna get the garnish ready for it because I'm gonna need to use my whole lemon. So I'm gonna put this aside for later. I'm gonna use about 1 lemon. Get your sugar, not really sugar, but close to it. It's actually healthier. And my friend said it tastes like breadcrumbs, so make some cookies afterward. Why not? So I'm gonna get about 1 spoon of it, not too much. Now all I need is my raspberries. Bam, perfect. Frozen too. We're not gonna use ice cubes. It's gonna dilute the drink and the flavor. Let's throw a couple of them in there. We're gonna do a fine strain anyway. Boom, close it up. Make sure it's secure. Just blend away. That came out way looking better. All right. Just pop it open. Gonna need about 2 ounces of this right here. No liquor yet. So 2 ounces of this. Gonna need 3/4 of an ounce of raspberry liqueur. Why not Chambord? Go with the best. And I tried other liqueurs before. I was like, maybe it's just the brand, you know? No, Chambord is the best, in my opinion, and in a lot of other opinions as well from people that I've read about reviews. Next thing, your vodka. Why not Tito's? I needed about 1.5 ounces, maybe 2 ounces, depending how strong you want. Today, I don't feel like getting fucked up, so just 1.5 ounces. Put this up, put it over there. Now I am gonna need my ice, so, all right, here we go. Get those stains, boom. Just a couple of ice cubes in there. Done. Set them aside over there. Shake it up a little bit. There you go. Oh, it smells so good. Now remember guys, double fine strain. Put it aside over here. I'm gonna need it for my soda water. Right there so you guys can get a better view. And then so right here, trying to get the last of those bits, get all that flavor from there, you know. I should have bought a bigger strainer or something. Maybe. And yeah, I know that my glass is supposed to be chill and everything. I want to show you guys how the drink actually looks, you know. Right now it would have been all blurry and everything. Now I want to get the beauty of the drink. Let's put that back over there, making a mess over here. Now we're gonna get our soda water. Just top it off. All the way to the top like that. Then get your garnish that we had. Even has a tag still, that's how fresh it is. Bam. And you're just gonna get 1 raspberry. Put it through here. Oh, that's so easy now that it's frozen. Make sure the tag isn't showing. Just gonna put it on top right there. Boom. Voila, beautiful. You could rim the top if you want, but that's gonna improve your chance of getting diabetes. I'm trying to stay away from that. And there you go, the raspberry lemon drop. Let me take a sip. Guys, that is so refreshing. I am doing this at the wrong time of year. This should have been a summer drink. I am so sorry, but you can enjoy it right now. All right, guys, so if you like your drink, you like what you see, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is Alejandro from Alejandro the Mixologist.